Hey you guys, welcome again to Kuda Tech. This is Kuda and I'm going to show you how to fix your all-in-one desktop. This one is all-in-one, this desktop. And the problem of this desktop is white screen, but I already fixed it. The customer is complaining about the LCD. It doesn't boot up. It also shows only a white screen. But since I already fixed it and I decided to make a video for this one, uh, I'm going to show you first the model. Sorry. The model of this one is Asus all-in-one ET2220I. Yan, all-in-one PC. So let's make it short. How did I fix this one with the problem of white screen? Okay, let's go ahead here and have a look here. This one is the flex for the LCD. This one is it has the corrosion for the flex, so I decided to clean up using the alcohol or I forgot something. Yeah, the cleaner for the contact solution. And then here's the touchscreen connector also here. And I tried to boot up it again. And look at this one. When I plug the power on, the Asus came out, and then I will push the power. And then the display is not the white screen. Do I need to put a USB? Keyboard. That's the F1.
41, 46.
And let's wait for a while. The windows will come up. Okay, this is the Asus logo. And then the windows starts loading. Now it's working, and then the white screen problem is already fixed. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a video for the white screen problem, but that's the solution. You have to clean the flex between the monitor and the motherboard. I'm going to post a clips here about the looks of the connector. Alright, thank you guys.